Hello YouTubers! Today we're gonna do an unboxing and installation of this Glas.tR EasyFit screen protector for my Tesla Model 3. When you open the box, there is a box. You will see the screen protector right here, and also here the toolkit and this protective piece. This toolkit will have some kind of um, things that you need to clean your screen if you want to use it. I decided to use my Scotch tape, but here you will see, and it looks like this is an instruction manual how to use this. And this is the, I believe it's gonna come with a squeegee and also a pad for you to use. This squeegee is after the application, and this is to clean your screen. Here, how to remove bubbles, and here you have basically this is a dust removal sticker, basically a Scotch tape. If you don't have this, you can use a Scotch tape and that will work the same. This is a pad, and I believe there is also a cleaning solution for this. Will be here. Yeah, lens and cleaning wipe. So this one is a weight wipe that will remove all this. But since my screen is brand new and I didn't use it really, so probably not gonna need this. It's already clean. I already removed all the particles with a piece of Scotch tape, so I think it's ready for the application of this screen protector. I'm just gonna show you guys how I can remove this with this sticker that came with this screen protector. So this is the actual dust removal sticker. As you can see, you can also use this one instead of Scotch tape. The first thing that you need to do is remove this back film from the screen protector. As you can see, it's removed and now it's ready to be installed. So now I just have to push this and press it. Since I only have one hand, I will need my two hands, but I will show you in a second. After you position the screen protector, it will be exactly in place, and check this out, it's a stop. So that is the top of the screen, and now you need to press and slide. So here you're gonna press and slide left and right, left and right, like that, and then we're gonna wait 30 seconds. It's been 30 seconds already, so I'm gonna remove this, starting by peeling this off like that. There you go, and this thing came off. Wow. Now we have the screen protector, and we're gonna remove this film, and our screen protector is ready. Now, if you have bubbles, as you can see, you're gonna use the squeegee to push those bubbles to the edge. So there is where our squeegee comes handy, to push these bubbles all the way outside of the screen. As you can see, we're pushing the bubble to the edge, and this one too, and that is what you need to do if you see any bubbles. But at the end, you should have a clean finish of your screen protector. As you can see, any bubbles can be easily removed by just pushing your screen protector all the way to the edge. That is how you remove these kind of bubbles, like that, until you don't see any bubbles. Let me see where else. Here I can see another bubble, here. But that plastic that came with this screen protector really helped to center the screen protector, because as you can see the edge is very center, as you can see. So I really like that from this screen protector. It really centered my screen, um, and it gave it a really nice finish. And this screen has the anti-glare, so that's also going to help to remove any kind of glare from your screen. There you go. And I think it's really good. Any particles are going to be from the surface of the screen protector, because underneath I don't see anything. It looks very clean. So I'm very happy for the finish of this screen protector. I think it looks awesome. As you can see, the installation was a success. Thank you guys for watching. If you find this video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. I will be posting more accessories that I will be installing on my Tesla and also the wall charger. So stay tuned for more videos. Take care. I will see you guys in the next one.